This 2022 Grand Design Momentum 395 MSR is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ringgold, Georgia, 30736 and is offered for sale by Northgate RV Center. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Pebble interior, sleeps 11, slideout, TV antenna, TV, DVD player, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, skylight, refrigerator, water heater, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum 395 MSR is 15,948 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Northgate RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.